And we got another unboxing. The Icon split beam 3/8 drive, 20 to 100 foot-pounds, 90 tooth, item TW2-100. And we just got this yesterday. Right now till November 5th, they have 20% off all Icon hand tools. Shiny. Do some of them lights. Good God. I like these cases. They really hold your tools nice. Check it out. Looking for something to just set it and forget it. We have a lot of tool holders at work that I hate turning my torque wrench down or turn it off, you know. So hopefully I can just use this one. This will be a primary go-to. Got to test it and make sure that it's up to caliber. But we do have a scale here. It looks like it serves no purpose. It's just a conversion chart. And set on 20 right now. Nice handle. As to be expected. Leave me a comment, a like. Let me know what you think.